Hi, it's V Evans here from ET Digital Design Stress-Free Tech. And today I want to show you how to create a landing or sales page using Divi. So let's get right into it. So from your dashboard, you want to go to Pages and Add New. You give your page a title, something that's meaningful. So if you're selling, pencil sharpeners, you call it sales page, sales sharpeners. Or if you're selling, a coaching session, you can have it as sales coaching, whatever it is. So I might just put sales malware fix, or just sales for malware, or it could be security or whatever. So just call it something. So I'm going to call it sales page. And then before I go to Divi Builder, I'm just going to click on Publish. And I do this because it's to get into the right. So it says the page is live. Click Close. So now you need to go here where it says Default Template, and you need to select Blank Page. So this is important so that you don't get a menu showing on your sales page or your landing page, and then you don't get the footer and you don't have any other navigational, so that your page is purely for selling. So then you go to use the Divi Builder. And you just wait. I'm going to click Update. Now you can either build it from scratch, you can use it from a pre-made layout, or you can clone an existing sales page if you want. So I'm going to choose a pre-made page. Now here you can have something that you've saved previously. So here I've got some no hassle sales pages that I had purchased, so I could use one of those. I could use an existing page, so if I have an existing sales page here, or I can even choose one of Divi's pre-made pages. And if I type in landing, come on, see landings. So here you have a few different layouts. I'm just waiting for them to load. Now it's taking forever. See, landing page. So say I like this one, I can choose this one. So if I choose this one and say, yes, I want this one, then I just click on use this layout. So it doesn't matter whether you use this layout, whether you build one from scratch. The main thing is to make sure that you have the blank template for the page so that there's nothing showing. So if I wait for this to load, and this will put in images and all of that as well. So this is the key trick, is to have the blank template, because then your page will be the blank page. So this is the landing page. So I've called it this one just says estate planning, and it all looks beautiful because I used a pre-made layout. Then you just click save. Once it's finished saving, exit the Visual Builder, and you can see you have yourself a landing page, and it looks really nice. So here they have this. I would take this out because this is regarded as a footer, but you can do that easily by enabling the Visual Builder and then just deleting that bit. It's all up to you. You can make it as you want. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So take care, be kind to one another. V here signing out from ET Digital Design Stress-Free Tech. Bye.